SureSet is designed as a self-priming quick-dry base coat for use with the SureCoat roof system. SureSet offers moisture resistance to light, dew, mist, and rain in as little as 2 to 12 hours. SureSet can be used for cold weather applications and when inclement weather is in the forecast, but also year-round with application temperatures of 40 degrees and above. SureSet can be used on all substrates with the exception of silicone and should be top-coated within 4 to 6 months for optimal UV resistance and stability. SureSet is packaged in black 5-gallon buckets for easy identification, and the application process is the same. The substrate should be clean prior to applying the coating using the SureScrub cleaner. Apply the SureSet coating in a liberal amount using a 9-inch paint roller with a 3/8-inch nap roller cover. Embed the mesh. Apply a light top coat of SureSet, making sure that the mesh is thoroughly encapsulated. Weather permitting, the SureCoat final top coat can be done the following day or within 4 to 6 months for optimal UV resistance and stability. For customized quotes or questions, please contact us at 877-823-7873 or check out our website at www.surecoatsystems.com.